Hello lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of today's red and gold abstract art piece. So thank you so much to my lovely members Linda and Jill, and to all my subscribers. You really help keep my channel going. And today is another Talent Tuesday with my wonderful and talented friend Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy. So today my red and gold acrylic abstract art piece is created by using the chain pull technique, and I'm using something that you wouldn't expect. So here are the three colours. I've got fluorescent pink, I've got iridescent gold, and I've got Arteza Bordeaux red. Really simple palette on a black background. So I've just got a lid of one of my containers that I carry some of my paints in. I'm putting the paints on 3 different sections so I can easily dip my chains and my pearls in. You might think, what is she doing using her pearl necklaces? These are beads that I found in our local range in Cornwall in UK, and I strung them together with cotton. Now next time I would string them together with something like a fish line or something, so they're more permanent. But because I was so eager to try it, I saw what was around me and I used a double thread of some really good cotton that I've got out of my husband's sewing machine stash. Don't tell anyone. So here is the base, really fluid, as fluid as I would do for most of my acrylic pours, perhaps a slightly more fluid, like runny honey. And I'm going to put that down as the base and use those 3 colours. So I'm going to be using 3 different sizes of bead, and as you watch the process, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to know what you think about the difference between the really big shapes that I make and the smaller ones and how they fit together. So enjoy the music. I shall see you towards the end, and thank you so much for being here today on this abstract art process. Such fun with red and gold today. Coming to the end now. This is my last little pull with the chain, and I've had such fun using the different sizes of chain pull using beads. So the process I literally used was to spontaneously put down the chain in different directions and experiment with pulling it to see how the sizes and how the different leaves come together. What do you see in this piece? Do you see it as botanical? Do you see it as abstract? I see it as an abstract art piece, and I'm just loving the colours and how they're going together. So I'm using a cocktail stick now to add in some dimension, some swirls, to give some more life to the different shapes and patterns that have been created with using a chain today. And if you're looking to do this yourself, it's really easy to find it. It's £1.79 for a chain, and you can add more dimension with a cocktail stick. Thank you so much for being here today. I can't wait to see what the amazing Kim has created on her channel, Kim's Art Alchemy. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please subscribe if you're enjoying my videos, and thank you so much for being here. Let's go and see what Kim's created now. Keep shining, and don't forget your art is a piece of you. I hope to see you again soon.